Morning, guys. I have an appointment in pharmacy. Sorry, I say pharmacy. Student health center today, so I have to go. See you guys when I get back. You guys look at that full sleep background. She's gone, man. Why is this thing not focusing? Okay, it's gone, man. She's like, oh yeah, team, just wake me up and I'll follow you to the health center. Kata, Michi, wake up.
Timmy turning. He been wishing for a burning to kill everybody walking. He know that it's all in the furnace. Find me trying.
So guys, I'm ready to go to school for my appointment, but I'll probably be back by 9. Not sure. Yeah, no, American girls are different. See you guys when I get back. So my agenda for today is, I think, appointments. I have to take pictures for my friend, and what else? Breakfast, beach day, and yeah, that's it. TGIF. These things can change, by the way, not too sure. Going to school, almost late for my appointments, as usual. Like, if I feel early for something there, I don't know, like I'll call or something. But yeah, see you guys in the health center. I finally decided to bring you guys in my school. So apparently you're not supposed to step on this seal, or else you're not going to graduate in 4 years. Like, you're going to spend longer. First time you told me, I was actually going to step on it. Like, okay, I'll graduate in 3 years then. But don't play yourself, man. Don't step on it. Is it just me, or I think like vlogging in public is weird? Because like people just keep looking at you like some crazy bitch. So the world hasn't changed yet. Ooh, good angle. People are taking graduation pictures. You guys can see them over there. Guys, the sun affects my eyes so much. So am I even supposed to go SVC Health Center? Down there. Okay. Oh yeah, I prefer this angle. Figured that my lips need some lip gloss. Come if I was walking around with those ashy lips. Get chapped lips, say ashy lips. Okay, I'm scared of birds. I'm here, guys. So. It's light and big. Sun is blinding, guys. So I just came out from the health center. I'm actually going to get breakfast at the hub. It's like the first part of my appointment. So I'm meeting like a neurologist on Monday. But yeah. Fuck. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this video is a bit slanted. But yeah. Finally at the hub. I actually don't feel weird eating alone, guys. That's one thing. You know, it's gonna be a bad bitch, whatever. But I will not vlog this whole breakfast eating because it's a long thing. I don't know if I pass, I don't know if I sleep. Anchor. Yeah, this food needs some salt. Can already smell the no salt in the food. But yeah, bye guys. See y'all when I get home. This my friends got me a gift. Oh my god, it's from Zara. What could it be? Oh my god. Unboxing. Let me open my window. Do I have enough to open yours? Yeah. Guys, meet you over there. How do I zoom? It's not even focusing. Don't worry, I've gone. I'm not putting in your face again. You see that we don't. I say I've gone. I'm doing. Guys, from Zara. This thing is not focusing. Let me see what it is. Guys, oh my god. I love Zara. Anyone that knows me knows that I'm fucking obsessed with Zara. It's like, that's me over there again. Shout out.
Why you like this?
For me, see when you like this, when you like this, burn, burn.
No.
You guys, it's not this one that got me the present though. It's a different one. You see, this one I only to come to my house and be eating my food. No, Michi has gotten me different things. She got me a car one time, but I don't like cars, so I threw it away in the bin. I say, oh, you guys, it was a bodysuit. Wow. So really, it's a really pretty bodysuit. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to go and see Angela. Thank you. Hey guys, hi, I'm back here vlogging my camera. I'm taking pictures with my friend apparently, and she's naked. I'm not going to dialogue because apparently she was sent her phone. Like, who are you? I was just like to show their butt. These are her name Esther. Onyedi Kachi.
What are we kidding?
Shut up. But yeah, you know, models and whatnot. So
Yeah. No, we need someone like to look cute, you know. That is our DNA. We don't really know how to look DNA.
So guys, we're just going for breakfast. I know, second breakfast. What time is it? My friends are supposed to be waiting for me here. I don't know why they're not here. Yeah. I want to wear my seatbelt.
And the whole sound will be in the video.
Hi guys, so we're going. How are you guys making that noise? Hi guys, so we're going for breakfast.
At 1:44.
At 1:44 and the place goes like 2:30. We hope
see me. Of course. I'm so special. Hold on.
We hope they
Give me a
allow
minute.
us to stay.
I mean, they close at 2:30.
Why shall we use this one?
Hey, I'm here.
But yeah, we're not done makeup yet. Must be we're going to the beach later on. So yeah, guys, my pretty friend. Why is that one waving at the back as if we know her? See, this thing falls. Which we
Can I please play music?
Yeah.
Can I play Burna Boy?
Couple. Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh, guys, you can do this thing now.
Hey. This thing falls.
Let me connect.
This thing will fall. Better don't drive too.
Mia, can I please start with that move song first of all?
Sure.
Mia go move to the girl.
Yeah.
Mia go move.
I've connected to your phone. Oh my god, this filter is amazing.
Like
the edit and everything. Look at my yellow.
Ooh, color coordinated bitch. Guys, you always got. I mean, this is that.
Yeah. Miguel. Miguel. That's a
Girl, you good. Girl, you nice.
You nice. Okay, let's go. I'm okay.
I know they lie. For you, girl. For you, girl. And I ain't yeah, to the girl. I'm thinking like Beyonce.
chopping it out, like, or like whenever you add the omelette, it's like more like easy.
Okay, let's do that. Let's do that.
pancake
No,
or what?
wait, hold on.
Oh, you want to get something else?
Hold on. Okay, so we definitely want pancakes, okay? You definitely don't want omelette. Yeah, that's why we are here. We want to eat those pancakes. So, what about the omelette? That's the thing.
So we can choose any omelet from
It's
here,
good
right?
actually. No. So you do the
Do a combo and then just make.
and then you just make your own omelet. You're like, okay, I want this in an omelet, but it's going to be the same thing as I feel like it's going to be the same thing as buying an omelet.
That's what I'm
and
saying. So we
buying
can just choose anyone from here and just tell them that's my combo.
pancakes. No,
I mean, I'll put in there whatever's in the omelet. That's true.
Yeah.
but then it will like the toppings will increase according to like that's something that is you might as well get the like your
Pancake and then omelet.
get the
Okay.
pancake.
All right, perfect. I'll get that going for you.
Thank you.
Don't lose that.
It's not that much money.
I'm the birthday girl, so the omelet. You guys.
We
will
should
be
cut
sharing.
omelet and give you because it's your birthday. You guys, can I say something? Benita says her birthday. This one is never in your face, so we should give her our omelet.
I don't know who this one thinks she
Michi,
is.
what do you have to say about that?
I don't know what she thinks she is by
I'm the birthday girl, though. She didn't be like care. She not she.
the baby care.
Did you see the argument? That's what happens anytime we go out to eat. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same thing at dinner tomorrow.
Yeah.
They have to argue like.
I mean, you have to argue to know what you want, basically. But
I even thought you guys were getting the same omelet.
okay, you know what we're going to do, Benita and Michi?
What?
Tomorrow, before we go to PF Chang for your birthday, we're going to go online and decide what we want.
That's a good idea.
Exactly.
Because everyone's gonna be staring at you like.
Yeah, but like, no, but I wanted to cheat before you like.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram, raw, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, rat, beans, greens, potatoes.
Kiki. You guys, I'm trying to shade. So this is my vlog.
No, you have to just walk. It will be like slow motion walk.
Guys, I'm shading one YouTuber. If you know, catch your sub.
Supposed to go to Clearwater, but why is it so doomed to my face? Couldn't go cause you were late.
Traffic.
Yeah, but let me traffic on.
I wasn't late.
You see how it can just reply that?
I wanna show you my love.
Yeah, I did my makeup in the car.
Anywhere money gave me, I go to.
It's not super great, but whatever. Y'all know I'm better than this. Finally at the beach, guys, and my hair is irritating me. How am I vlogging with that? Oh my god, skin looks so great. Hi guys, say hi guys, fuck.
Hi.
Say hi, Kang.
Hi.
Say hi, Valentine.
Where is my place? I'm sure. No,
Where's that stupid meeting?
I'm from Cameroon.
What's this?
Okay. I'm from Cameroon.
Hi. We are Michi and Benedict. They do. We are from Ghana.
And I am the owner of the channel, the Nigerian in the beach.
Please allow you guys to talk about it.
Elle est Cameroun. Yeah, guys, we're here at the beach. Makeup looking so nice. Look at my friend. Look at how she looks. Look at this. Hey, this glass was too far from my head. Somebody hold it.
So wait, so no, literally, the wind just.
I don't want they fucking smoking. Like, what the fuck going on? It's Lennon, babe. Shut up your mouth.
I used to disturb her like this.
Me that boys are chasing left, right, center, scatter.
So why are they?
This man said chasing. I'm boyfriend. I told you before. Just that we like keeping on the low. Boyfriend, you know
I
who
know
you
it's
are.
Jesus. I know it's Jesus.
No.
Jesus is the only man for
I've
you.
moved on.
He's the only man you
I like this view instead. Can we walking like this? But yeah, guys, I'm vlogging with a phone now. Volume might not be that great, but whatever. I vlogged the phone earlier on. See you guys. I'm going to take my pictures.
Bye.
You see any picture of my
guys, the tripod was fine.
tripod broke. Like,
Everything, like the wind just like
the wind just fucked us up. Like, I can't even believe this.
Lesson learned, baby.
Lesson learned. Do not vlog on the beach with a lot of wind in Florida. Like,
know this.
know this. That looks like some savannah place. Go take some picture.
Yeah, no, this girl was saying that thing.
Guys, so we're back. We're going back home. I don't know if you guys heard me in the other video, but I said camera broke, so the lens broke rather. So yeah, going back home, guys, and probably see you when I'm at home. There's traffic.
You should do the room.
I should do what?